to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Greetings and welcome to English Language Arts Grade 5. Our topic for today would be recognizing interrogative pronouns. Okay, so what are interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are pronouns used to ask questions, and you have 5 different interrogative pronouns. We have who, what, whose, whom, and which. Okay, take note of the pronunciation. Who, what, whose, whom, which. Okay, now these are different kinds of interrogative pronouns. Okay, so let's start with the first one. When do you use who? Who is used when the answer is a person. Okay, so when you're asking a question and the answer is a person, we have to use the interrogative pronoun who. How about what? What is used when the answer is a thing, animal, or a series. Okay, guys, so a series is a group of nouns all combined by the word and. So example, the cat, the dog, and the chicken. Okay, that is a series, a group of nouns that are combined by the words and. Next, how about whose? Whose is used when the answer is the owner of something, right? So when you're looking for example, this is used for possessive pronouns, possessive determiners, right? Or even nouns that show possession or nouns that are in their possessive form. Okay? How about whom? Whom is used when the answer is the object of a sentence. Okay? The object is the receiver of the sentence, of the verb. Okay? So, for example, if the noun is found at the predicate area, you would use the pronoun, the interrogative pronoun whom. But if the pronoun or the noun is found in the subject area, you would use the pronoun who. Okay? And what about which? Which is used in questions that ask for a choice. So, a choice, guys, these are different nouns combined by the word or. Okay? That's a choice. Or. So, unlike a while ago wherein you have a series again is combined by and, we have the chicken, the dog, and the cat, the dog, and the chicken, right? For series, or for choice, I should say, for choice, you have it combined by the word or. So we have the cat, the dog, or the chicken. Alright? So here are examples of how to use it. So example, right? Who owns the monkey? Okay? Now, here, you use who because the answer there is a subject. Okay? I own the monkey. Okay? The next sentence over there, right? The one that's underlined, that is the antecedent of interrogative pronouns. So for interrogative pronouns, guys, the antecedents are the answers. Okay? So again, in the first one, who owns the monkey? I own the monkey. I is in the subject area, therefore you would use who. How about the next one? What does the monkey sit on? Okay? The monkey sits on a chair. Okay? On what? A chair. That is what you will use. What? Because a chair is an inanimate object. Okay? Next. Whose face is lonely and old? Okay. Here in this circumstance, right? In this situation, okay, whose is replacing her, a possessive determiner. Her face is lonely and old. Okay? How about, for example, the next one? To whom is the money given? Okay? So the money is given to me. Me, there is an object pronoun. Remember, objects. Objects are found at the predicate area. These are nouns or pronouns found in the predicate area. Therefore, you would use whom. Okay? And the last part. Which of the monkey's body is dirty? Okay? The nose is the part of the monkey's body that is dirty. Okay? Although here you have no, the choice is not really mentioned here, right? But you still have a choice wherein which part of the monkey, okay? Which body part of the monkey, all right? So there are just a few things that you have to always remember. The difference of whose and whose. Same pronunciation, differently spelled. Whose, W-H-O-S-E, versus whose, W-H-O''S. Okay? Whose, the first one, right? W-H-O-S-E. This is an interrogative pronoun used to replace words with ownership, that shows ownership. But whose there, W-H-O apostrophe S, this is a contraction or a combination of the words who and is. Who is. So be careful, okay? The first whose, that's an interrogative pronoun. The second whose, that's a combination of who is. Okay? Totally different. Another thing that you have to take note of, the whom versus who. Whom again is used for to replace objects. Objects again in a sentence. Objects in a sentence, right? Not like physical objects. No. Objects in a sentence. These are nouns or pronouns that are found in the predicate area. Okay, so if it's an object that is found, a noun or a pronoun found in the predicate area that is an object, therefore you would use whom. Okay, so for example, I love you. Okay, so the question there is, if you is the answer there, you would go, whom do I love? Okay, because you is in the predicate area. But for example, who? What about who? Who is used for nouns or pronouns that are in the subject area? Subjects. Okay? So for example, the same one. I love you. Okay? Who loves you? Who loves you? The answer there is I. Okay? I is in the subject area. So that's the difference again of whom and who. And again, which versus what. Okay? If you are presented with a choice, that means again a group of words combined by the word or. So the cat, the dog, or the chicken, you would use which. But if you're presented with a series, right, the cat, the dog, and the chicken, right, the words combined by and, okay, you would use what. And that ends our topic for recognizing interrogative pronouns.